Chinese supermarket operators in Spalding abducted during a robbery. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Chinese-owned supermarket was held up and two of its operators abducted during an armed robbery in Spalding, Clarendon on Sunday afternoon. The police said around mid-afternoon on Sunday, a group of armed men went into the business establishment, posing as customers before demanding cash at gunpoint. An undisclosed sum of cash was robbed from the business establishment. The police said that the armed men then took hostage two of the Chinese business people and abducted them from the supermarket. The police further added that they were later released in Baileyton, Clarendon. A manhunt has since been launched in search of the armed men. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.